Click on the link below to get price. The Sony Alpha a6500 Mirrorless Digital Camera is a remarkable piece of technology that caters to both amateur and professional photographers alike. With its 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor, it delivers stunning image quality, capturing rich details and vibrant colors even in challenging lighting conditions. The camera excels in low light, thanks to its ISO range of 100 to 51,200, making it ideal for night photography and indoor shoots. One standout feature of the a6500 is its impressive 5-axis in-body image stabilization. This is particularly beneficial for handheld shooting, allowing users to capture sharp images and smooth video, even at slower shutter speeds. The autofocus system is another highlight, boasting 425 phase detection points and 169 contrast detection points, providing fast and precise focusing, essential for capturing moving subjects or fleeting moments. The 2.95-inch LCD touchscreen is responsive and provides good visibility, though it can be challenging in bright sunlight. The screen tilts upward, which is great for vlogging or capturing creative angles. However, a fully articulating screen would have been a welcome addition for more flexibility in shooting. Video capabilities are impressive, with the ability to record in 4K resolution, offering filmmakers high-quality footage straight out of the camera. The option for S-Log3 and S-Log2 profiles allows for more dynamic range and flexibility in post-production, catering to serious videographers looking for cinematic quality. In terms of build, the a6500 feels robust yet compact, making it an excellent choice for travel and street photography. The textured grip ensures a secure hold, while the customizable buttons enhance usability, allowing for a more personalized shooting experience. Overall, the Sony Alpha a6500 is a versatile and powerful camera that delivers exceptional performance in various scenarios. Whether you're shooting stills or videos, it provides the tools necessary to elevate your photography to the next level, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone serious about their craft.